Hello, good afternoon. Welcome. This is Government Year 2013 Jamb past question. Question number 16 says the art of transferring autonomous power to subordinate agency is dash. The art of transferring autonomous powers to subordinate agency is dash. Now, what talk of autonomous power means independent powers. So it's called dash. Option A say devolution, B say concentration, C say decentralization, D say delegation. So when you transfer power to subordinate agency or bodies, it's called devolution of power. So option A is correct. Thank you, and kindly subscribe for more videos.